Hi everyone, please subscribe my channel and meet the Lincoln Continental GT. The 2025 Lincoln Continental GT, a true masterpiece of luxury, innovation, and performance. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. A perfect blend of elegance, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating power. Let's dive into what makes this luxury sedan the pinnacle of automotive craftsmanship. Front design. Right from the first glance, the front of the 2025 Lincoln Continental GT makes a statement. A bold, chrome-finished grille with the signature Lincoln emblem gives it a commanding presence. The sleek LED headlights stretch seamlessly into the body, integrating cutting-edge matrix technology for adaptive lighting. The sculpted hood, with its refined curves, reflects ambient light beautifully, especially in this deep, glossy black paint. Its elegance redefined. Interior. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world of sophistication. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather with contrast stitching, while the dashboard features a fully digital instrument cluster and a massive touchscreen infotainment system. The ambient lighting adjusts to your mood, creating the perfect driving atmosphere. And let's not forget the panoramic sunroof, offering an open, airy feel, even when closed. Every detail here is designed for absolute comfort and convenience. Exterior. Moving to the side profile, the Continental GT stands out with its sculpted body lines and aerodynamic stance. The suicide-style doors open gracefully, revealing a spacious and luxurious interior. Chrome accents on the window trim and door handles add to the premium look, while the large alloy wheels ensure a smooth yet powerful road presence. It's a car that turns heads effortlessly. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Continental GT offers a choice between a refined twin-turbo V6 and a powerful plug-in hybrid setup, both delivering a seamless blend of power and efficiency. With an advanced adaptive suspension system, this car glides over the road, offering a ride that's as smooth as it is exhilarating. The intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures stability in all conditions, making it the perfect companion for long drives or spirited city cruising. Rear design. At the back, the elegance continues. The sleek LED taillights stretch across the trunk, seamlessly connecting with the Lincoln emblem at the center. The dual chrome exhaust tips hint at the power under the hood, while the subtle curves of the rear bumper maintain a refined, sporty appeal. Whether parked or in motion, the Continental GT exudes confidence from every angle. The 2025 Lincoln Continental GT isn't just a car, it's an experience. A perfect fusion of luxury, technology, and performance. What do you think of this stunning machine? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car content. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.